To be honest, I think I'd say Wales.
Thutha wa gutiriha mithunguko 10 ya mbitika cia HBSC World Rugby Series na kurikia mari namba mugwanja murugamo-ini wa mbitika ici, timu ya bururi ya Athaki mugwanja Shujaa iri mehaririria ma muthia mbere ya kwanjiriria kambini ya mbitika cia World Cup mucii wa San Francisco bururi-ini wa Amerika. Hamwe na athaki aria manirirwo kunyita itemi-ini hamwe na Oscar Ayodi arita captain wa timu ino, Collins Injera, Andrew Amonde, Willy Ambaka, Sami Oliech, Dennis Ombachi, Nelson Oyo, Jeff Oloch katakatika again. Nyafara wa imwanaishi Innocent Simiyu nioyete ati arina umiriru na timu ino, akiuga ikoretwo mehaririria-ini na arina mwihoko wa gwika wega makiria mbitika-ini ici.
We have a very strong squad based on training. Guys have really trained hard, and we believe we've selected the best team that can represent the country, and we're looking for some good performances from the players, and hopefully we can get some good results.
Makiria ma mabũrũri 20 ni merigirirwo kunyita itemi mbitika-ini ici na iria ikahurwo mwaki kwanjiriria muthi wa gatano kiumia twerekeire. Timu ino ikaumagara nginyagia mucii wa San Francisco muthi wa kiumia, ngucanio ya mbere magithaka na Tonga muthi wa gatano. Handũ-ini ha Kameme TV haro-ini, ritwa riakwa ni Mwihaki wa Dogo.